No more waiting for a night out to have delicious guacamole. It's fresh, zesty, and coming up, you'll learn how to make it. It's super easy, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Hola amigos! Welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today I will show you how to make an authentic Mexican guacamole. The best guacamole right at home. And the best part, it's super easy to make. Alright, let's get to it! Our ingredients for today are 3 ripe avocados, 1 lime, 1 Roma tomato diced very small pieces, 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 jalapeno finely diced, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro chopped, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. First, grab these avocados and slice them in half. Carefully remove the pit by giving it a little tap with your knife. Twist it and pop it out. Then gently slice your avocado, not putting too much pressure on the skin. Then you scoop out that creamy goodness into a bowl. Next we mash. Grab a fork and mash it up. I like my guacamole with more texture, so I will leave mine a little chunky, but if you like your guacamole silky smooth, keep mashing until it's right for you. For now, we'll add only half of our fresh lime juice to give our guac a tangy zing. You can add the rest of the lime juice later. Now let's add the rest of the flavor. Toss in your diced tomato, onion, garlic, jalapeno, cilantro, salt, and pepper. Give it a gentle stir. Don't overmix. We want every bite to have a little bit of everything. This looks ready, so it's time for a taste test. Grab a tortilla chip and try it. Does it need more salt, pepper, lime? Whatever you think it needs, just add a little bit at a time so you don't overdo it. Now let's try it the traditional way with a molcajete. First, we're going to mash our onions, jalapenos, and garlic to create a sort of paste. Making the salsa in the molcajete gives it more texture and really brings out the flavors. We keep mashing until we don't see any big chunks, which requires some elbow grease, but I promise it's worth it. Now that everything is well mashed, we add the aguacate, lime, and cilantro and mash again. You can mash until it's super smooth, but I like my guac to have more texture, so this is good for me. Finally, we add the tomato, our salt, and our pepper, and we mix one more time. Just remember, don't overmix it. And that's it. Let's do another taste test. Delicioso. Fresh homemade guacamole in 2 different ways. Serve it with chips, tacos, fajitas, or just grab a spoon. I won't judge you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new one. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!